Hi all. Today I'm going to show how to style a neumorphic button. This is the new styling guide. First, we need to create a component. So I'm using the command ng generate component. Neumorphic and enter. That component is created. HTML CSS is there. We need to add routing also. Neumorphic and add the component neumorphic and copy this file and go to our project neumorphic. Yeah, it's working. So we need to I'm going to show how to create this button and all. First we can add a wrapper div and add a button. Just add that text. Continue. Add a class wrap. It's just for a styling only. For that wrap class, background color set to min height set to 100 height and min width also set to 100 viewport width. Now we can style that button. Background color set to #ed and the border radius .12 pixel, padding 12 pixel, 20 pixel. And we can add that box shadow, 8 pixel, 8 pixel, 8 pixel, #vvv comma -8 pixel, -8 pixel, 16 pixel. First we just copy this code and inside that button, paste it here. We need to align it to center, so I'm going to add display flex, align item set to center, justify content set to center. Now to display center of the parent div. Can change the color little bit. Fade for that background. And also that button bg to increase the size little bit and also set the font weight. Copy this code and paste it inside that button. Now we are going to style that active and hover state. Just add an ampersand dot active and ampersand hover state. That box shadow set to inset of the same thing, just need to add that inset before. Just save and run. You can see also a little bit of transition or point by second. I'm going to add one more button. Skip and add a class called active. Now you can see the difference. The normal button, outer box shadow, and active button, inset box shadow. For this parent we can set a gap 30 pixel. Gap set to 30 pixel. Now I will show one more button, an icon button. Button class icon. You can add an SVG here. Just take this and copy SVG code and paste it inside the button. That icon is displaying. Now we need to style for that icon button width 60 pixel and also height set to 60 pixel. Inside that button, if it is icon class is there, just set the height and width. SVG width set to 30 pixel. And this padding set to 0. Display flex align item center. Justify content set to center. You can reduce this size little bit. 24. You can see on hover, it's an active state. I will show in another example icon, and if it is active you can add another just copy this SVG code and replace second icon. Just save and run. Now we can see that active state, that is the normal state. In this active state we can also change that button text color. When we click over this color, changing the same thing, we can also use this SVG. SVG color will not change, so we need to use that fill color. Node here, if it is active and hover state, we need to change the color. So add the style inside that active class. Now you can see the color is changed. Can set a variable peak color, and wherever we want we can just reuse that color, peak color, and here also var of peak color. Why we are using this variable, we can change wherever we want. Across the website we can change that color in a single variable. That's why I are using that peak color. If you guys have any doubt on this, please add a comment. If you like this kind of video, small CSS micro interaction, how to create and set up Angular project, those kind of video, please do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and family. Okay, then bye, see you on my next video.